The affirmation of the Attorney General's meeting with Richard Jakpa was couched in a question put to the third accused person by the Director of Public Prosecution, Yvonne Atokra Obobisa. The question put to Richard Jakpa was that, quote, "You only appeared at Justice Kulendi's house when the Attorney General was there." Richard Jakpa in a response said, quote, "It is not true that I appeared at my cousin's house that day and met the Attorney General. In fact, the one who ambushed me on 25th March 2024 at around 12 midnight was the Attorney General in my cousin's house." End quote. An angry Richard Jakpa told the court on Thursday, June 20. Prosecution further contended and put to Richard Jakpa that the Attorney General never arranged the meeting and that it is false and a figment of your imagination. In his answer, Richard Jakpa described the prosecution's claim as false. Quote, "It is false," he said. He further explained that, quote, "All that I have explained was what took place when he, the Attorney General, arranged and we had that meeting that night, even though I had prior to that day spoken with him on Justice Kulendi's phone when I was securing my bail." End quote. Richard Jakpa told the court. That response by the third accused created an altercation between the trial judge and lawyer for Richard Jakpa, Thaddeus Sori, who had interjected the cross-examination by the Attorney General with his own question to the third accused. When everyone calmed down after the heated exchange, the third accused continued from where he left off and said, quote, "The Attorney General did not say he would arrange it through me, but through my cousin. My cousin called me that I should come home because the Attorney General said he was going to have a meeting with me. And because the Attorney General had earlier sent me this WhatsApp message that I will arrange between your brother, thanks. The time of the meeting was between my cousin and the Attorney General."
One other question the prosecution asked was that as at 14 February 2022, Attorney General had already filed those documents which you claimed you sent to him on July 2022. That is what AG put to Jakpa, and Jakpa's response was this, that it is not in dispute that the documents were sent to his, that is Attorney General's WhatsApp. It is also true he had requested for further documents, and I decided to give him documents that I deemed he should have. If I gave him documents he already had, it doesn't spoil anything. That was why he took some and left some. It doesn't negate the fact that he requested for documents and I gave it to him.
The prosecution further suggested to the third accused that there is nowhere on the WhatsApp chat between him and Attorney General that shows the Attorney General arranged that meeting. Richard Jakpa, who is standing trial together with the Minority Leader of Parliament, Dr. Keselato Forsin, for willfully causing financial loss to the state in processes leading up to the purchase of some ambulances for the state to the tune of 2.3 million euros, in his response said, he asked for a meeting with the Attorney General and not an arrangement. He further contended that, quote, "The Attorney General had the opportunity to decline my request for a private meeting, knowing very well that his legal profession does not allow for him to arrange for a meeting with me."